Hello, this is Dr. Sharma at the Fountain Warren County Health Department. I just thought I'd do a brief introduction to our department. I'm actually standing in front of the department right now. Testing is ongoing for COVID-19 right in front of me, but I'm not going to show you that just because I want to respect people's privacy, but I am going to walk you through the department a little bit. So this will be a little bumpy. We're doing one take and then going to post this on Facebook. So, here we go. This is our front door. Again, if you want to register for COVID testing, fwhealth.org, or you can call us at 762-3035, and then we can register for COVID testing, typically on the same day. All right, so we're going in the front door right now. Lots of information here. These are different signs that we've come up to help increase education for COVID-19. And then we have all of these posters here that you might find useful. If you're interested, you can stop by the office or call ahead, preferably. We have a brochure that has everything listed on the inside. This may be helpful for your business or your organization or event. We also have an order form on the back. Most of this is free, at least for a limited supply, so if you're interested, give us a call or stop by. We do have a couple of front staff up here I'll introduce you to, but I'm first going to show you, this is where our staff check in every day. That's our blue binder with our screening questions, temperature check that we do every time when we come into the department. So we can make sure we keep each other safe. First staff member I'm going to introduce you to is Peyton. Peyton, can you say hi?
Hi.
Peyton, where are you from?
Pennsylvania.
And where do you live now?
Kingman.
That's a big book you got there. What's that?
These are birth and death records spanning a couple of decades. I think it's about the 1920s up to the 1960s.
Great. All right, Peyton, thanks for your work. Next is Kelly. Kelly, can you say hi?
Hello, everyone.
Great. Kelly, what do you do here?
So I am the grant manager and preparedness coordinator.
Great. And Kelly, where do you live now?
I live here in Attica, originally from Chicago.
Perfect. All right, Kelly, keep up the good work.
All right, thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to walk us through a little bit more of the department. This is our shot room up here. We are still giving vaccinations. If you need vaccines, call the nursing staff. Everything needs to be scheduled. It's a little bit of a challenge because we're trying to do COVID testing, but vaccines are still important. And this is our employee entrance behind me. And then we have another room here. This is where Bree sits. Bree is one of our newest staff members at the department, and she's currently running behind me because she's trying to check people in for COVID testing. You can hear our phones ringing, as they have been frequently recently. Bree's been great.
Hi.
Bree?
Hi.
Perfect.
I
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Great. And Bree, what's your role at the department?
Everything. Coordinator.
Yes.
Basically do everything.
Yeah, she's been helping out the nurses a lot. So Bree, where are you from?
I'm from Indianapolis.
And where do you live now?
I live in Attica.
Excellent. All right, well, thank you for all your work, Bree.
No problem.
Let's see. Okay, so we got a couple more staff members. This is Jenny Eads.
Hello.
And Jenny, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
I work here as the food inspector, and I'm currently working on the food pantry.
Perfect. And Jenny, where do you live at?
Outside of Attica.
Great. All right. Well, thank you for your work, Jenny. And Jenny's office right now is full of all sorts of goodies that we're distributing at our food pantry. I know we have some hygiene supplies, some soap, and different things. That's been a great resource. And I'm going to track down our nurse who wants to be on video. So this is Melissa. Melissa, tell us a little bit about your role.
So right now we're doing a whole lot of testing and contact tracing and talking with the schools a lot, trying to track everything down, calling results, kind of everything, answering a lot of questions. Everybody has questions, so trying to answer those as best we can, and trying to get flu vaccines out there now. So we're
Great.
kind of doing a little bit of everything.
And Melissa, where do you live at?
I live in Warren County, out around Kramer area.
And where are you at? Where are you from originally?
I am from Petersburg.
Perfect.
Yes.
Bi-county
Yes,
product.
yes.
Excellent. And this is Melissa's
Workspace.
desk. It's actually not that bad today. Typically, there's lots of COVID results she has to call in every day, which is challenging. Is that some pile?
Yes, that's
Yeah.
another file.
I'm probably not going to show you too much detail. And then over here are these.
Those are all tests that we've done and are filing away. So those are resulted and need to be filed away.
Great. Most of this is computer based, but we do have paper backups for everything. Thank you, Melissa,
Yes.
for all your work.
Thanks.
And one more office here. So, Eric, can
Hello.
you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Eric. I'm with the environmentalist here at the health department. I've been here for 5 years.
Great. And what does an environmentalist do?
We deal in everything from food complaints to environmental complaints, and I personally work on the septic side of the health department.
And I know we've been giving new responsibilities with COVID. Eric, what are some of the things you've been helping out with COVID?
Oh, too many to list.
Yeah.
We've been driving samples down to Indianapolis and back. We were doing that in August about 3-4 times a week. So no matter how fast you went, it was a 3-hour trip there and back, no matter what.
Now, I know Eric and Jenny have also had the joy of dealing with a lot of complaints or concerns from the public. We still ask you to send those in. We're trying to address those as we can. That includes places that maybe aren't supporting masking as much, or if you know of violations of isolation or quarantine, then Eric and Jenny are your guy, but reach out to us. Eric, where are you from?
I'm from Attica.
Perfect. All right. Thank you for your time.
We'll see ya.
We got one more office here. So this is our head nurse, Lacey. This is her workstation. These are, let's see, some of her family over here. Unfortunately, Lacey's out this week because of some personal family issues, and we are wishing her and her family the best. And then this is my fancy foldable desk here, and my computer, and my lunch right there. So just wanted to give you a brief update of what's going on in the health department. It's certainly not maybe as exciting as you might expect, and I certainly didn't show you a lot of the nitty-gritty that's going on, but that's our local health department run by local people. We're here to help. If you have questions about COVID-19 or other things that we can do, just let us know. fwhealth.org. You can get more information or register for COVID testing, or find out about other resources that are available at your local health department. Thank you.